Hello, so this is just going to be a quick refresher in how to divide decimals. So let's take a look at this problem. Let's say we have 68 and 12 hundredths divided by 0 and 5 tenths. The first thing I want to do is create a fraction. Remember that the numerator is the first number and the denominator is the bottom number. And our goal is to make this number a whole number. So I would do that by multiplying by a power of 10. Since I need to move this decimal point one place to the right, I would be multiplying this by 10, which would make this whole number 5. And then I need to do the same thing at the top. I would move this one place to the right and multiply this by 10, which means my new number would be 681 and 2 tenths. Rewrite the problem. 681 and 2 tenths divided by 5. And then I can set this up to divide. So on the inside is my 681 and 2 tenths, and my 5 is on the outside. First thing I want to do is bring up my decimal point. And then we're going to divide just like normal. How many times does 5 go into 6? It goes in one time. 1 times 5 is 5. When I subtract 6 minus 5, I get 1. Bring down the 8. How many times does 5 go into 18? That is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Subtract and get 3. Bring down the 1. How many times does 5 go into 31? That is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Subtract and get 1. Bring down the 2. How many times does 5 go into 12? That answer is 2, which is 10. Subtract and get 2. And then finally, because we cannot have a remainder, I need to add an extra 0. Bring that down. How many times does 5 go into 20? And the answer is 4. So the correct answer to this problem is 136, because 4 times 5 equals 20, and 24 hundredths. That should help you with some of the problems in the packet.